What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Santana, Scat, checking in with another video here. So we finally got the radar that I ordered to come in. I've been had one, but honestly it was trash compared to some of the other ones. So I went on YouTube, man. I watched all of the reviews from Vortex Radar. You know, and I got all my boys that's got one as well. So if you haven't checked out Knockout 360's video as well on these, and also Lloyd 13, they've got some pretty good videos on radar detectors. But I decided to go with the Uniden R3. It's extreme long range radar, you know, so when you're driving fast, you'll know way ahead of time that the cops is near. So let's check it out, see what we got. All right, guys, so as you can see here, we've got the Uniden R3 extreme long range radar, the digital signal processor, GPS, voice alert, 360 protection, quiet ride, LED, OLED, advanced K and K filters, mute, and then it's undetectable from the police. All right, and then of course in the box it comes with the kit. You've got the radar, you've got two mounts depending on which one you want to use, and then the connector. I did order the hardwire kit, but it won't come until tomorrow, so we're gonna go ahead and hook it up with this today. I don't know what the case is for. I'll probably never use that again, but you probably can use it for something else. But we'll go ahead and get it hooked up. Once the hardwire kit comes in, I'll do a little install video to show you guys how that is. All right, let's go ahead and get this box open and see how it looks. All right, guys, so as you can see here, when you open the box, you've got the user manual. You've actually got three of them: English, Spanish, and French. All right, so if you know any of those languages, there you go. All right, but that is unneeded for me, so let's just get those out the way and let's get this bad boy open. Alright, so as you guys can see here, we have the radar, the big suction cup. I've already taken it out of the plastic, the cord, and then the other suction cup. So pretty much all you're going to do, guys, is plug the power cord into the side. All right, and then you're going to fasten the port into the front as well. So let's go ahead and get that hooked up, and I'll show you guys how it works. All right, guys, as you can see, we got it hooked up here. I definitely can't wait for that hardwire kit to come in, because as you can see, I got this long ass cord running down here. Even though it's not really in my vision, it just looks extremely crazy. So as soon as the kit comes in, we're definitely gonna mount it up into the into the rear view mirror here, so it can get power and I can take this cord down. But pretty much you just plug it in, you pop it up. I used the dual suction cups just to make sure it was up there better, and I mounted it as close to the mirror as I can, so that when I'm driving, I can't really tell it's there, you know, so it's not going to affect my driving ability at all. You won't notice it's there, and it gives me good range. You know, nothing is impeding the vision from seeing in front of me or behind me. And the cool thing about this one, guys, is this USB port. Well, the port here has a USB port as well, and the mute button here on it, on the adapter. So say if it's beeping, you can, you know, just come down here and hit mute instead of reaching up on top of your windshield. And you also can plug in, you know, a phone charger or whatever you need to as well. All right. Let's just power it up. So they say once it powers it up, it'll do a little self-test. I know. All right, guys, and it looks like we're good to go. We're on highway mode right now. So I'll work on the settings later. I know you can program these to sensitivity levels and stuff, but I'll worry about that later. I'm not really focused on that right now. We're gonna put it in highway mode, let it be at full sensitivity, and just see how it works out in general. Once I get a little bit of experience with it, you know, run into some situations and see how it works, I'll definitely tune in and let you guys know if it's worth the money. Like I said, this one here was almost $300. So it's expensive for a radar, considering that I've got two in the trunk right now that were $50 a piece, but they don't work as well as I would like them to. GPS connected. So guys, thank you for checking in. You know, this should be a short video, just a little unboxing video. Check it out, this Uniden R3. But stay tuned, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back with more.